Okay, there we go. Hello there guys, welcome to part 5 of our ride to Kanyakumari. Let's kickstart this day in style, beautiful view, and let's get started right now. Okay, Surya is getting ready. They're all set to hit the road. Just as predicted, it's been raining cats and dogs all through the night. Just reduced to a drizzle now, so this is a perfect time to start. We're going to be riding through the storm. Really, the actual adventure begins now. But more than that, I don't want my GoPro to be a part of the adventure, because with the mic adapter and all, it's really vulnerable and exposed to water damage. It doesn't render it water resistant, because we pull out the cover and we have to put the adapter. So now the adapter is gone, and I have my GoPro normally, and the audio is straight out of the GoPro mic, not out of the GoPro adapter. So the audio might not be great, but I can't put my GoPro at stake with a lot of journey lying ahead. Let's hope the weather improves through the course of the day. Next frame, hit the road, get going. Hey, endukra ee adventure anta odilera adu danni. This guy is always up to something or the other. You like her?
Yeah.
What do you want to name her?
Daisy?
Daisy? That's a weird name. Oh my god. So Daisy is chilling out in the drizzle, waiting for a Valentine. Why don't you join her for a cup of coffee? Okay, this is certainly not the perfect mode to ride, perfect environment to ride in the sport mode. Definitely not track. So I think we're gonna stick with rain, because it is indeed raining cats and dogs out here. So let's warm up the engine. Fuel is decent enough. I think we'll get there, and from there we'll get a glimpse of Dhanushkoti if we are lucky, and if the thunderstorm spares us. Here is the glamour boy Sharon, Subin, Dino Squad. Thank you so much. Shukriya yaar. So let's go ahead now. Switched it to super view. I hope it's recording fine, and the camera angle is also fine. Yes. Wow, what a view, man. Just look at that. Look at that for a view. Oh my god. Woo-hoo-hoo. Wow. What a way to celebrate life. What a way to take a break. There's the fort. And what a way to travel. So this is the Velankanni Church, one of the most visited pilgrimage centers and one of the oldest and biggest Catholic churches in our country. This is also called the Miracle Church, built way back in the 16th century, and the miracles continue to happen even to this very day. A lot of people, many lives were saved during even the times of tsunami, and the significance is like a lot of Portuguese sailors were saved surviving a sea storm. That's how this structure was built, and boy, kind of peace that surrounds your heart even to this day. Every time you watch him bless, stretch his hands and watch over us and bless the nation, it's like super peaceful and super divine, and words can't express the feeling that you go through the moment you enter this place. Wow, it's been hours, but still we don't want to get out of this place, because the kind of satisfaction and joy, happiness is a different thing, joy is different. And similarly, the peace. Look at this ancient monument, but more than the monument is the faith that gives you strength, that an eternal being is watching over you and is ready to bless you just the way you are. This is the way in. I'd love to offer a word of prayer for all he has done in my life. Just take your footwear off they go. ஆத்துமமே என் முழு உள்ளமே உன்னாண்டவரை தொழுதேற்று நாள் வரை தாதரித்த உன்னாண்டவரை தொழுதேற்று. This is one of the hymns that we sing at the church. It's COVID times, churches are empty, but the faith stands strong. Now, all I thank God was for being there for me no matter what. Yes, I miss my dad in this world, but my heavenly Father is with me, and that's what matters the most. ஆண்டவர் எப்போவுமே என்னோட இருக்கார். என்னோட தகப்பன் இருந்தாலும் இல்லாட்டியும் இறைவன் எப்போவுமே இருக்கார். அது போதும். So guys, fortunate enough to meet fellow biker brothers, Vijay and Nasan. They came and wished me, so glad to bump into a fellow biker brother and நம்ம ஊர் பசங்க. So and he owns the RTR 164V. So புடிச்சதா வண்டி நல்லா இருக்கா? So you have it from the owner himself. He likes the RTR 164V. It is one of the best motorcycles you can buy in the 160cc class. Comes packed with features. And last 200. RTR 240. Yeah. This is மொத்தமே TVS Apache batch தான் கிடைக்குது எங்க போறாலும். So glad. I just hope you enjoyed the vlog so far. Stay tuned for more action in this particular vlog. Catch you guys in the next turn. So this is the sweet stall. This is the halwa that's famous. This gentleman has been courteous enough to allow us to park here. Thank you, sir. So let's taste this halwa. Let's see how it really tastes. So you have this is cashew nut.
Yep.
This is almond.
Okay.
So this is Rafiq sweet stall. Sorry? Nahur Rafiq sweet stall. Unga peru? Abdul Rahman. So he is the one who's really famous here for making this halwa. So sir, just 50 years old is what he says. Okay. Okay. Okay, 15 years old, but in a place called Nahur, it's been there for over 50 years is what he says. Okay. This is a carrot halwa that is really famous for. We're going to release rest of this. Stay tuned for more action, guys.